First off, go ahead and log in to the app. I'm using a demo password in ID here. You can use the ID given to you by the school management. After logging in, the home screen will appear. Here, you can check e-learning, academics, communicate, and others. Let's start off with e-learning. First on the list, we have homework. Here, you can check all of the homeworks given to you by your teacher. To view or access the homework, just press on the download button. The file will open automatically. To submit your homework, press on the blue button above. Here, you can either choose a file from your gallery or take a picture. Once done, just write your message and submit it to your teacher, and you're good to go. The homework you have submitted will be in the Submitted section. Any homework that has been checked by the teacher will be in the Evaluated section. Moving on to daily assignment. Here will be the tasks your teacher has assigned you for the day. Next up, we have the lesson plan. Here, you can view all of the subjects and the chapters being taught throughout the week. Moving on, we have online examination. Here, all of your upcoming exams and your closed exams will be mentioned. Last but definitely not least, we have the Download Center. Here, you can access your syllabus, date sheet, schema studies, calendar, books, and etc. A video tutorial is mentioned to help you out. And then let's move on to academics. First off, we have the class timetable. Here, you can view your schedule for the day. Then we have the syllabus status. Any updates made to the syllabus or lesson topic will be shown here. You can also view how much your syllabus has been completed. In order to view the remaining chapters, click on the lesson topic button. Here, you can view the amount of lessons done and the remaining. Now let's take a look at attendance. Here, you can see your daily attendance of each day and month from the semester. Moving on to examinations again, here you will have any examination papers from your previous examinations. Last on the list is the student timeline. Here you will have all your student timeline from throughout the semester. Moving on to communicate, we have the notice board. Any notices from the school, such as events, examinations, holiday notices, etc., will be mentioned here. Now let's dig into the fees section. Here you can keep track of your payments and fee challans. Next up, we have apply leave. Here you can apply leave whenever you want, whether for a half day, full day, or plenty of days together. To apply a leave, just click on the plus button in the lower right corner and fill the information as required. The information can be filled as shown in the demo. Once submitted, you'll have to wait for the approval from an admin. Once approved, the status will change from pending to approved. Therefore, the leave has been applied. Next, we have the calendar to-do list. Here, students can make tasks for their own comfort and add them to their calendar. Any task added with a due date as shown on screen will be shown in the app, making it easier for students to track their assignments. Lastly, we have the Teacher's Review section. Here, you can give remarks to your teacher, add comments and ratings. Any opinions or issues may also be added. And that is pretty much it. Hope you understood how to use our new OPVG portal. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.